you're looking for. I can see it in your eyes. I don't know how this ever happened. So, does this even work? Looks like it does. Wow. Wow. Hello. Hello, everybody. I'm feeling rough as nuts. I need to. I'm just curious if this is working. The hell just called me there? I can see it in your eyes. So, I wonder if this actually works. Oh, I wanted to see if this is also. So I'm streaming to Twitter. Am I streaming to Twitter? I have no idea. I'm streaming to Twitch and YouTube at the same time. Does this even work? Wow. I can see it. I can see it in Twitter. Wow. That's cool. That's new in Chrome. That's new. There, look at me. 0 viewers. I rock. I rock. Okay, now finally, let's see if my it shows up on Twitch. Twitch. By the way, don't judge me by who I follow on Twitch because um, it gives. I don't really follow anybody, but it gives me some weird suggestions, I must say. Am I live? It says I'm on live. How do I see my own channel? Wow, it works. I'm amazed. So Restream allows me to stream on Twitter, YouTube. But how does the engagement work? Can you chat to me? Can someone chat to me? Please? Let me put the light on. Someone say something. Wow, technology, isn't it great? I like the idea of not being bound to any platform. Oh, hey Jacob. Yeah, and then I can't believe it's synced up everything. Wow, so wow. I'm impressed by Restream so far. I did have to pay $20 to get onto the standard plan just to try this out, but they did offer 7-day money back guaranteed. So I'm sick, by the way. I'm taking leave, but I thought I'd just try this because I'm bored. I have a tiny bit of energy. And if you, you know what would be the icing on the cake? Would be if you if I had IRC integration, because I can't really be bothered to look at this tiny little chat window. So is the audio good? Not getting crazy feedback? Doom Emacs. I haven't tried. You know, I haven't tried Doom. I haven't tried Emacs for years. I used to use it when I was at the University of Helsinki. Meh, doesn't seem to be packaged. So I'll keep this going for a while, just so. Hey, Mark. I'm just keeping this going to test it and just for some light entertainment. I actually have COVID, so you can ask me anything about COVID. Ask me anything as ask me anything. Recovering from COVID. I'm probably gonna get my channel like banned. And for just mentioning COVID. To be honest, do I care? Well, I would miss my little audience that I picked up. I guess they can find me if they're really keen. Yeah, I wanted to figure out something with okay, first off, I've done a long overdue upgrade, so I need to reboot my machine, because that's what you need to do, don't you? Because once your Linux has been updated, has it been spooky? It has been a little surreal, I guess. Not majorly, but you know, a bit irritating. I feel like I'm a fairly fit person, and I thought and obviously I got vaccinated too. I thought it was a bit rough, a little bit rough. I was a bit surprised. So Friday it kicked off, and today is Wednesday, and I'm still actually feeling a little under the weather. So usually I would recover from a cold in like just a couple of days. Hopefully you can't see my password being entered in there. I'm just decrypting my Archnix, sorry. So I'm new to streaming, so I'm just conscious that, oh God, I'm conscious that I haven't figured out my scenes or anything like that. Great. Oh, now I can see. I can literally only see my. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, and I finally managed to log in. Am I running the latest and greatest? Yeah, I haven't got my scenes worked out or anything like this, so I'm sorry if this is a little bit unprofessional. I'm still worried about the sound. My levels look fine. My levels look just fine. Yeah, okay, so what did I want to do? Can't even remember what I want to do. This is how great it's going. I think I wanted to figure out something to do with I think I want to I'm a bad JavaScript developer and I'm having to work with JavaScript at work, so I'm keen to. Oh, I just noticed that you can't see my screen. Okay, this is not going too well. Okay, now you can see my screen. Okay, noob alert. Maybe make that a bit bigger. Yeah, I'm a noob JavaScript developer, so I was just keen to work out how to set up, and I'm hashtag being spoiled by Golang with Go format and GoLint. So I basically wanted to set up Go format and GoLint in JavaScript. And I would say Prettier sounds like the one to use for formatting, and for code quality check. I've heard bad things about ESLint, so I want to explore JS hint instead. So let me just try that then. JJJ test. JJJ. PM init -y. Yeah, I to be honest, I hate JavaScript. I don't know why I'm bothering. I just have to work with it, so I need to get a little bit familiar with it. Let's do some JS hinting here. Let me also install some Axios, which I'm often having to work with. Let me just bootstrap this with code. Oh no, oh god, no. You can see that I've been messing around with this before. Like, what's it doing here? I just want code, a new code instance. Yeah, I don't want it to be in another thing. Don't save. Close window. Okay. So this is me coding in JavaScript. Watch the pain unfold. I think you do something like this. Get data. That or const. Like, what do you use? Yeah, I fell off, man. I fell off. Now this is what I don't understand here. Why doesn't it do the import? Oh, I didn't do the await. Then I just do get data. What did it fuck me? Sorry. Why is okay? Why doesn't it do the import stuff? Please do the import thing. Axios, do the import thing. Oh, now it does it. Now it does it. This is what I'm having to deal with. Oh. Console.log. Like, why does it do this? I hate computers. Status. Okay, now that should be fine. 200, great. Okay, now I want to try JS hint. Hey Jose, I'm just working out how to get JS hint working. That's my do you even Vim, bro? Yeah, of course I do. But I had to use The only reason why I spun up VS Code there is because of this. I don't even know how to get Vim to do that. Okay, I'm gonna update the title. Exploring JS quality checks. Exploring JS quality checks. I'm making a video. Oh, I mean, I've been trying to make a video about NeoVim. I'm actually surprised. I've been I've been using NeoVim with about 16 plugins only. Yep, I fell off, guys. I've become a ricer. Look at me. This is a sick man talking. Can't believe I'm using NeoVim with 16 plugins, but there you have it, guys. I fell off. And the interesting thing is just okay, this is NeoVim, this is regular Vim, and I'm going between them and I'm comparing them, because regular old Vim with Ale is just okay, it's fine. Got my old Control P. Regular Vim is fine, really. I've got Vim Go working really nicely. And then my NeoVim configuration is, oh my lord, it's out there. This is my NeoVim configuration. Oh my god, I got a bit of a headache, guys, sorry. Yeah, the color scheme is a bit weird. I kind of made it a bit different just so I know if I'm in Vim or near Vim. Well, funny you should mention that, Jose. Some guy keeps on telling me I need to try Doom Emacs. Doom Emacs. But I can't seem to see Doom Emacs. Geez, why is my font so small to begin with? Doom Emacs doesn't seem to be packaged in Arch. Or maybe it's just Emacs. I wonder what the Emacs experience is like. To be honest, I know I've used Emacs for years. I'm not. I mean, if you told me that the out-of-box experience would make me edit JavaScript like a demon, I would be up for it. But I don't think it will be. I think it would be needing just as much configuration as NeoVim. Okay, wait. I wanted to run JS hint. JS hint. JS hell. What's that? Okay. Didn't expect that. Okay, JS hint. I got it installed here. So I think what I need to do is go in. I think, how do you run a local install package? I think you do use npx. Okay, think I need a JS hint RC now. Let's grab one. Grab one of the internets. I have no idea where my browser just opened. Obviously not on the same screen as this. Open here. Okay, Pico Chrome. Open here. Yes. Yeah, how many Marins are there? Where are you guys from? Marin sounds like, I mean, I'm going actually by Jose Maximilian. It sounds like some Latin American type thing. Marin? Marin's surname? It's a Latin name. Roman. Marius. Romance speaking. How come Croatia got the link, the shoe in here? Some crazy editing going on, right? Yeah, don't worry. I am up for distraction. I'm as I said, I'm on sick leave. I'm feeling rough as nuts. I'm feeling rough as nuts, so I just looking for some company. I've been in bed for a few days now. I mean, I'm out of bed now, but like, okay, JS hint RC. Okay, well, how do you set it up then? Oh my God, what the freak? Give me some guidance, man. JS hint RC. Can I init it maybe? Oh, I like this thing. JS hint config property. Let me have a look at for that instead. But I also want this ES version. ES version. I think I'm using ECMAScript 6. How do I know which node version corresponds to ECMAScript version? Okay, I'm gonna ask this. Wait, node ECMAScript version. How do I know what ECMAScript I'm on? ES6. Yeah, maybe let me just ask on IRC. Let me think. These are all my help channels. What am I looking for? So my brain is scattered today. Okay, I'm running node v17. How do I know which ECMAScript version that is? Hey Max, I'm a tech lead working for a consultancy company. So, for example, I might be on a project which uses JavaScript and I'm expected to be a technical leader, and and I'm supposed to know my JavaScript. Why do you think Singapore is so much more successful than South Africa? Oh, Al, Jesus. That's a big question. Is it because there's a functional government here? Yeah, functional government that takes care of business. It's very business first here. Business first. It's very business friendly here, you know. In South Africa, they seem to go out their way to put businesses out of business. Let's get apolitical. Ah, to be honest, I must say politics do work me up, but at the same time, I was chatting with an old friend, and he was telling me that in Canada, one of the things he loves about living in Canada is that people just live. They don't care about politics. You never have these situations where you would be at the barbecue and you've had a few drinks, then someone starts talking about politics, and then everyone gets a bit hot under the collar. Um, and yeah, in Singapore, this happens. Like there are some issues that people don't want to talk about. And I must say, after hearing the Canadian story sounds great, right? I just don't want to talk about politics. And usually in Singapore, I would say I would never talk about politics. It's just that everyone's talking about the restrictions here lately, and hopefully that's the end of it. Okay, what am I doing? I'm still trying to do some JS hinting here, aren't I? JS hint RC. Yeah, how do I make one of these things? Or how do I make one of these things? Okay, I'm just gonna have to steal one from somebody else. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, proprietary. Who does that? Okay. Oops. 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 Okay, so npx. What did I run? npx. Expected identifier instead saw default, a reserved word. Okay, maybe I need 8. This is going well, isn't it? The Node.js experience. What's wrong with that? Default is a reserved word. Okay, let's just Google this. Nine years ago. Okay, I don't think it's this one. Thanks, Maximilian. Have a good one. Brother. We're all brothers, aren't we? Okay. Software engineer Tesco. That reminds me. I know someone who's also a software engineer at Tesco. Okay, I'm stuck. This is also an error message that pisses me off. Okay, let's just go with this. I think this is the correct way to require a package. Yet JS Hint disagrees. Okay, I'm just gonna have to ask someone about this. Or maybe I should just ramp up the ES version until this error goes away. Okay, let's JS Hint ES version. Yes, ES version. Yeah. Okay, so someone in my chat just said that Node 17 is ECMAScript 2015 ES6. So what is it? What does that mean? what is ECMAScript 2015 ES6 map? What is this? Is it ECMAScript 11? Well, I'm only using this. I'm using this because that's what the auto importer did. The VS Code auto importer did, which I trust. Yeah, I reckon that it should work like that. I mean, you're right. It should work like that. But like, why am I? Oh my God, what's it doing now? Do I need to do it like that? I mean, like, so basically, I'm working in VS Code. It does my auto importer. The thing is, I like to use VS Code because it does the auto importer. Because like, I'm an idiot. I like Go imports, and VS Code does the Go imports in JavaScript, and I haven't figured out how to make Vim do that. So, okay, but now it's probably all going to be fine, right? I was just, I mean, I don't know. Oh no, the undo doesn't work. Yeah, that's one thing about using Vim and NeoVim is that the undo isn't the same. I'm curious if it goes away if I do if I just ramp up the ES if I just ramp this up. MPX, what was it? MPX. Still doesn't. Oh, it doesn't matter what version I use. I still get this error message. That's crazy to me. I think I need compare for auto imports. Compare. I think I'm using compare. Oh man, I use git on my home directory, and I have like a git ignore, and it messes up everything. Isn't it called just comp? Okay. What's going on here? Lunar Vim. Yeah, okay, I'll try that. Is that the right version? Lunar Vim. Zero 0.61. 0.51. But maybe it installs the latest. Maybe it doesn't. Oh shit, I got a headache. Let me have a look at the AUR before I do anything stupid. Okay, let's try it. Okay, guys, I need a rest actually. But let me just quickly try this. Let me just try this. See if it does the auto importer thing. Let me see if it does it. C types? Okay, I don't really understand this message. I've seen this before though. The hell is this? See, I've even Googled this before. Nah. Tylenol. I think that's a Panadol. Okay, guys. Thanks for joining me in this test. I think it's been quite successful. Although, as far as I can see on the chat window, everyone has come from YouTube. I was kind of hoping for some people from Twitter, my Twitter stream and the Twitch stream to jump on in here. Anywho, well, if you're on Twitch, I should be also streaming on Twitch. And if you're on Twitter, do follow me at Kai Hendry. Am I on Odyssey? Yeah, I think I am on Odyssey. I don't go there because I set it up one day when it was called Library, I think. Oh God. Oh God. I don't know. Oh. Cool. Yeah. I thought I made these videos private. Interesting. Yeah, I need to look into that one day. Okay, I need a break. Also, this bright light is killing me. I'm a bit sensitive to loud noises and light right now. Okay, let me end this thing. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it, for keeping me company.